How to choose Vanguard mutual fund or ETF. Hello and welcome to the channel everyone. Let's get right into this tutorial. Choosing between Vanguard mutual fund and ETF depends on your investment goals, risk tolerance and trading preference. However, if you didn't know, mutual fund will require a much lesser investment than your ETF. So things to consider before getting any of it is: know your investment goals. Determine whether your goal is long-term growth, income generation, or tracking a specific index. Know the risk tolerance. You have to access your comfort level with market fluctuations and choose investment that align with your risk profile. Consider how often you plan to buy or sell your investment. If you are trying to buy and sell frequently, ETF offers more flexibility for frequent trading than your mutual fund. When you compare the cost of it, compare the expense ratios and any trading commission associated with each investment option. Understand the traffic implication of mutual fund and ETF, particularly the potential for capital gains taxes. Now, if you are leaning towards mutual fund, you'll be aiming for a long-term growth and income. However, if you are leaning towards ETF, it is designed for growth, income, and tracking of a specific index. However, mutual fund is typically higher in expense ratio than ETF. So once you know all of these key points, you can go ahead and decide for yourself if mutual fund or ETF would be better for you. That brings us to the end of the video as well. We hope that it was helpful and informative to you.